Pagkatapos pong ng isang araw na mabanggit ang patungkol sa pagpunta ng ating mahal na NBI Director sa Bangkok at ito po ay kinwestiyon ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, kahapon po ay biglang
Yung pagpunta sa Bangkok, syempre, iimbestigahan na nila at kukontakin na nila yung mga kontraktor na gumawa yan sa lupa, 'di ba? Yung tinatawag na kaldero, iimbestigahan nila yan. Sablay yan, sabagay. Sablay ang investigasyon nila, kahit sablay, tutuwid pa rin nila yan. Kahit na wala silang makita, tataniman pa rin nila yan, sigurado. Mga obvious na obvious at gara pa lang nakakadiri na hakbang ng ginagawa nila para sa dalawang judge senador na to
lumabas ang isang pahayag na iniimbestigahan daw po yung patungkol sa pangyayari noong Southeast Asian Games. Ito po ba ay eksakto lang o ito po ba ay merong dapat tayong pangambahan?
Mayroong pangambahan.
But still, we are here.
Puti lumihis.
So it was in good
Yung
faith
Inday.
that I said, as an example, mukha namang masama kapag yung isang bureau head, NBI director is a very important position, but it is a bureau. So if a bureau head, and tignan yung invitation, nakalagay sa invitation, or your representative, and we resolved it. So aksidente ba na yesterday, suddenly after I mentioned it, and after during the weekend, many have been talking about na dapat ata hindi 16. So 21 na lang kami ngayon eh. So 2/3 of 21 is 7. Pag nabawasan pa kami ng 3, 13 na lang yon. Pero
Ayan, grabe mga kababayan. Na alam ninyo ba na isusunod na tinatrabaho ng gobyerno ito ay ang dalawang kasalukuyang senador? Senador Judge na sina Alan Peter Cayetano at Robin Padilla. Talagang sobrang nakakadiri na yung gobyerno ito sa pagiging kurap. Kaya nasabi ko ito ay sa dahilan na ang kurap ay kumukonekta sa ginagawa nilang panggigipit at pagtatanim ng kaso laban sa dalawang senador. Senador Judge. Maleta ang dahilan kung bakit madaling sumunod sa pinag-uutos para ikulong ang mga kalaban, ang mga senador. Unang-una si Judge Senador Jingo Estrada. Sumunod naman si Senadora Rodante Marcoleta. Ngayon, nagsalita ang NBI Director na si Matibag at sinisilip nila yung Southeast Asian Games na prinaject ni Senadora Alan Peter Cayetano. Di ba? Siya yung speaker nun. Kumbaga, pinagbibintangan naman nila yung GAA. Ang ginawa raw unprogram. Diba? Yung ini-insert. Samantalang sila ito, sobra-sobra yung insertion nila sa GAA 2025, 2026, 2024, lahat 2022. Puro mga unconstitutional yung mga pinag-insert nila na mga budget. Diba? Ngayon, maleta ang dahilan talaga kung bakit madaling sumunod talaga, di ba? Ayaw nilang makulong balang araw at pagdusahan ng mga nakakadiring ginawa nila ngayon, kasalukuyan. Kasi, baka sa susunod na Pangulo, ayaw nila na kailangan kaalyado nila para hindi sila madali sa mga nakakadiri nilang ginagawa ngayon. Imagine, obvious na obvious. Kasagsagan ng impeachment. Talagang dinidiscourage. Kumbaga, ang mga testigo ng mga prosecution nadadali nitong dalawang to na si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano Nadidiscard nila yung mga witness. Tsaka si Senador Robin Padilla. Tapos ngayon biglang magkakaroon ng kaso. Tapos biglang tataniman ng kaso. Di ba? Ayan. Kumbaga at ito, no, bago po ang lahat, ay welcome po muna sa aking channel. At heto, at muling nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Pads Press TV. At heto, panoorin po natin ang buong video na kung saan opening salvo sa Day 6 impeachment trial. Nagsalita po si Senador Judge Robin Padilla at si Senador Judge Alan Peter Cayetano, at sumama na rin, nagsalita rin si Senador Judge Pia Cayetano. Kaya yan po, no, sa opening salvo, nagkaroon sila ng statement, bagay, pahayag tungkol sa nararamdaman nila na halata naman. Sinasadya talaga. Sinasadya. Di ba? Ito, panoorin po natin.
Kasama, nais ko lamang pong idulog sa inyo ang aking
Yan,
nararamdaman.
opening yan,
At isang damdaming masasabi ko pong nagtatanong, sapagkat ang mga nangyayari po sa ating hukuman sa mga oras na ito, hindi ko po alam kung ito ba ay eksakto lang na nangyayari o
Hindi.
ito po ba ay sinasadya.
Sinasadya.
Katulad po ng pagkakakulong ng ating dalawang senator judge na si Senator Jinggoy Estrada at si Senator Rodante Marcoleta.
Oo, yung
At
dalawa.
ang kagiyat pong pagdating ng aming mga masasabing galing sa ombudsman, sa akin, at kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. At kahapon, pagkatapos pong ng isang araw na mabanggit ang patungkol sa pagpunta ng ating mahal na NBI Director sa Bangkok, at ito po ay kinwestiyon ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, kahapon po ay biglang
Yung pagpunta sa Bangkok, syempre, iimbestigahan na nila at kukontakin na nila yung mga kontraktor na gumawa yan sa lupa, di ba? Yung tinatawag na kaldero, iimbestigahan nila yan. Sablay yan, sabagay. Sablay ang investigasyon nila, kahit sablay, tutuwid pa rin nila yan. Kahit na wala silang makita, tataniman pa rin nila yan, sigurado. Mga obvious na obvious at gara pa lang nakakadiri na hakbang ng ginagawa nila para sa dalawang judge senador na to
lumabas ang isang pahayag na iniimbestigahan daw po yung patungkol sa pangyayari noong Southeast Asian Games. Ito po ba ay eksakto lang o ito po ba ay merong dapat tayong pangambahan?
Mayroong pangambahan.
Alam niyo po, ako din po ay dapat ay pupunta ng Iran. Sapagkat isinagawa po ang pagbibigay-pugay sa namatay na kanilang leader, spiritual leader. Pero hindi po ako tumuloy dahil may impeachment po tayo. Tanong ko lamang po sa ating mga kasama, dapat po ba tayong mangamba? Dapat po ba kaming mangamba?
Oo,
At tayo po ay parang
nakakangamba talaga.
eksakto naman lahat ito? Hindi ba po tayo ay malayang korte? Tayo po ay may karapatan na binibigay ng konstitusyon na magsagawa po ng pagdinig na ito.
Hindi. Ang punto ko rito, bakit hindi muna sila mag-investigasyon? Ang ginawa agad nila, nagkaroon agad sila ng resulta. Kagaya ng nangyari kay Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Hinug agad Di ba? Kahit hilaw pa, pinipilit nilang mahinog. Dahil nga hinahabol nila impeachment na to. Di ba? Kaso, mukhang meron na naman sila lulutuing bagong rules dyan Malamang sa malamang kaya nila inaalis to Gusto nilang maalis to si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Na talagang may lulutuin silang rules. Ayan, yung mga si Senador Judge na si Pia Cayetano, Alan Peter Cayetano, mga abogado yan. Ayan ang mga matitinik. Ayan talaga yung kukontra sa mga nagbebendalo dyan sa Senado. yung mga bumabali ng rules diyan sa Senado. Number 1 na babali dyan si Lacson tsaka si Tuta Soto eh. Malamang sa malamang tahimik lang sila eh. Pero may connecta yan sigurado. Sigurado may connecta yan. Diyan sa sa pinakamataas diyan. Ayan yung mga babali talaga ng rules.
Yun lamang po, maraming salamat po, Ginoong tagapamahalang ko.
The manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla is noted. What is the pleasure of Senator
Oo,
Judge
tama.
Guevara?
Presiding
Noted.
officer.
Dapat lang.
Rule 6 of the impeachment proceedings is that the rules of the Senate is suppletory, and if there is anything that affects the honor, integrity, or the functions of us individually or as a Senate here as an impeachment court, someone can rise on a question of personal or collective privilege. I won't do that, but may I just respond to what Senator Padilla said, since my name was mentioned and since the investigation announced by the NBI yesterday seems to be pertaining to this person as chairman of the 2019 organizing committee of the Southeast Asian Games.
Oo,
May I-
yan.
Maybe in the form muna of manifestation, unless the presiding officer or Senate President thinks that I should elaborate on by asking for time on a personal collective privilege, but I don't want to start that
Senator
proceeding.
Judge Cayetano may make his manifestation. For the record, sir.
So, first and foremost, sa sinabi po ni Senator Padilla, I won't ask na ipa-play na yung video, but quite exhaustive yung sinabi ni NBI Director about the Southeast Asian Games. So, if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect. May 11, hinabol dito sa session hall na to ng mga ahente ng NBI, si Senator
Oo.
Bato.
Di ba?
May 13, nagkaroon ng enkwentro, putukan, pinipilit ng NBI na hindi sa loob ng Senado, but we have all the evidence that it was inside the Senate.
Kabalastugan
Other
talaga, ano?
incidents, I do not want to evoke a reaction or debate because I want to respect my fellow senators. Much of this has been vented in the media, is in court. Director Matibag has promised us that he will give us a warrant issued by the ICC, has promised us that he will hold his agents na nanggulpe ng isang OSAA. He will be the one to implement the contempt order. and
Asa
hold
na
them in
nga
his
pala
office,
yun, di ba?
wala ditong natupad.
Wala nangyari dun.
So when I mentioned his name, his position the other day that it was bad taste, walang personal yun. I mean, regardless kung sinong, even if it was a secretary, an alter ego of the president who wrote the prosecution team or the defense team to say, pwede bang next week kasi may seminar, I would have said the same thing, di ba? Na, look at the gallery. Kompleto parati dyan from Congressman Ace Barbers to many Congressman Ridon. I won't name all of you, but you're busy people. But you think this is important, so you take time out and you are here. Di ba? Of course, the prosecution team, you have to be, you are here. We are here, despite of many, many other important things. Not only investigations, not only the flood control, not only the BIR, not only, we're also talking about the nation being prone to volcanic eruption, to yung bagyo, buti, well, nasalanta pa rin tayo ng bagyong Inday. Ibang Inday ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa impeachment. But still, we are here.
Buti lumihis.
So it was in good
Yung
faith
Inday.
that I said, as an example, mukha namang masama kapag yung isang bureau head, NBI director is a very important position, but it is a bureau. So if a bureau head, and tignan yung invitation, nakalagay sa invitation, or your representative, and we resolved it. So aksidente ba na yesterday, suddenly after I mentioned it, and after during the weekend, many have been talking about na dapat ata hindi 16. So 21 na lang kami ngayon eh. So 2/3 of 21 is 7. Pag nabawasan pa kami ng 3, 13 na lang yon. Pero
Pero
some
hindi
will
dapat.
argue, mabawasan lang kami ng 1 o 2, baka 13 na rin yon kasi wala naman half person.
Yan kasi pinangangamba natin. Yung 16 votes na yan. Eh kung mawawala sila Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, siya na lang ang tumitindig dyan. Talagang abogado. Magaling eh, di ba? Eh siya yung isusunod. Baka yung 16 votes na yan baluktutin na ng mga senador dyan sa majority, di ba? Yan siguro yung target. Eh, yan nga yung nirereklamo ni Pinky Lacson, di ba? Kinwestiyon niya, yung 16 na yan, na ano na raw, gusto niya yatang gawing ano eh. Pag mawawala tong mga to, bababa yung boto para sa impeachment eh. Yan yung yan ang kinakabahala natin, di ba? Yung ganyang gagawin nilang, babaluktutin nila yung rules ng 16. Maliwanag, di ba? Maliwanag na nakakadiri ang mga hakbang at tinatrabaho at ng mga galamay para kay Senador Alan Peter Cayetano.
O 3/4 person. So all of these issues are valid. Question. The chilling effect is there, but am I intimidated? Wala na akong choice. Ilalabang ko na to, gagawin ko yun ang dapat kong gawin. Bumaliktad man yung sitwasyon, si President Marcos ang ini-impeach and I felt a certain way, ilalabang ko rin. Chief Justice man ang i-impeach, ilalabang ko rin. But for the record, Mr. President, go ahead and investigate. First of all, that's been investigated many, many times. COA, I'm not sure. I think the Office of the Ombudsman, ang nag-file pa ata, Chief of Staff mo eh. Senator Rob, I'm not sure but parang may kaso na nun. Senator Drilon quizzed us here. I was Speaker of the House but I chose to appear before the Senate to be able to answer all of those questions directly. The SEA Games, paulit-ulit yan. Biktima na ng speakership ng 2019 yan. Nahuli namin yung PR na sinabi kikiam, pinakain daw mga Muslim ng baboy, when it was chicken longganisa na pinakain. Pero nasiraan na tayo sa Malaysia, Indonesia. The SEA Games gave us so much honor. So far, it is still the biggest SEA Games in history. Many of our athletes launched their career, even going to gold medals in the Olympics. Our athletic and our yung aquatic natin center in Clark is one of the best in the world. Ang nagsabi nito yung Israeli coach ng isang foreign team doon. But go ahead if you want to investigate. But I just want to put on record, mukhang misfire. Bakit? Yung sinasabi niyang infrastructure na walang bidding, first of all, the procurement law has many modes of procurement. So don't make it appear sa public na just because walang bidding, may anomalya na to. Okay. Secondly, bakit ko sinabing misfire? Hindi po sa I'm referring to director ng NBI Matibag. I had nothing to do with the infrastructure. The chairman of the committee. In fact, I had to resign from the DFA because I was running for congressman during that time. So dun sa sinasabi ni Director Matibag na may congressional insertion to fund it,
hindi
it's definitely
dudugtong
not
nila.
me, because how could a non-member of the Senate or non-member of the House insert anything? Okay. Dun sa sinasabi niyang infrastructure, it was done by the BCDA. The chairman of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors of the president now. The president of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors and is a secretary now. And he said, medyo kaduda tong kumpanya na nanalo walang bidding. If I'm not mistaken, it's the same company who's making the City Hall of Pasig. Yeah? So, I mean, if they want to investigate, go ahead. But by mentioning the
diba?
organizing committee
Sige.
of the SEA Games, ako po chairman nun.
Ayan.
At paninindi-
Hinahamon na kayo ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Imbestigahan nyo muna, pero huwag kayo magtatanim ng kaso, ha? Talagang dapat nasa totoo lang ang pagpuproceed ng investigation. Siyempre, maging patas. Para naman, di naman kayo halata na parang gusto nyong i-pull out agad ang isang judge senador na kagaya ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Gusto nyo agad i-pull out. Tataniman nyo agad ng kaso. Walang investigation. Para lang ma-survive yung mga prosecution dyan na puro mga fishing expedition ang pinagagawa sa mga ebidensya. Diba?
ko po na napakaganda nung
Puro
nangyari.
mga
doon. At kung may
kalokohan
anomalya, ako unang magagalit. So, go ahead. But my point, Mr. Chairman, honorable members of the court, sa prosecution, to be fair sa prosecution at marami akong kaibigan, I've never felt any intimidation from any of you. I mean, you've continued to be either friends or for those who are former friends but friends. I mean, I don't know if nagkamali lang ako, but on the first day, I nodded ng konti kay Senator De Lima. Gumanon din siya, hindi ko alam kung na-acknowledge because we were friends once upon a time and this is a court. We owe it to each other to be professional, di ba? So wag tayong pumayag na someone like Director Matibag would do that. My point, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, he could
Kaso, nung magkaroon ng, di ba, ng hearing, diyan sa kung sino yung committee chairman na si Erwin Tulfo, diyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee, di ba, in-interview nila at nagsalita si Matibag. Tapos biglang lumapit sa kanila at nakapatay yung mic at nag-usap-usap sila. Ngayon, kung sino-sino yung mga nasa Blue Ribbon chairman dyan, yun yung mga traidor. Malamang at sa malamang, yun yung mga tumatrabaho para i-pull out itong si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Kaya Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, huwag kang magpapakampante at huwag kang basta-basta titiwala sa mga Blue Ribbon Committee chairman dyan na kung saan ay kinausap, kumbaga naging message yan, na-interview di ba? Nagsalita si Matibag. Yun yung mga kaaway nyo dyan. Dyan sa mga committee chairman ng Blue Ribbon ngayon dyan. Malamang sa malamang. Hindi mapagkakatiwalaan yung mga yan.
announce it and
Kapwa
investigate it.
senador mo.
Imbestigahan mo, tingin mo may mali, imbestigahan mo. But it is unfair to me and unfair to the court that kung
Oo,
kailan siya
imbestigahan.
patatawag siya sa Monday, intimidate mo ako, hindi kita tatanungin sa Monday dahil mag-a-announce ka na iimbestigahan mo. Tapos sasabihin mo may insertion, tapos sasabihin
Biglang
mo hindi
may
liquidated,
conclusion
liquidated po
eh.
lahat yun. So,
May
let me
resulta
talk about
agad.
unfairness. Hindi ba unfair? Kung ako, babalik na rin ko, sasabihin ko, inimbestigahan ko na rin kahapon eh. Ang sabi
Oo
sa akin,
nga.
mainit ang ulo ni Director Matibag kasi may contractor na daw yung binigay na lupa para sa NBI at gusto niya sarili niyang contractor. So would that be fair to him? No. It would be a marites accusation. So that's the same thing he announced yesterday. A marites accusation towards me that affects this court because I am now a senator judge. So I hope this is the last time that I'm going to have to speak about this. But definitely, we've been speaking about this, binabawasan talaga kami. Iniisa-isa. Even yung mga
Talaga?
vlogger na malapit
Talagang
sa administrasyon, sabi, 2 down, 3 down, may kasunod na. Di ba? So, Mr. President,
Senador Bato de la
this
Rosa, no?
impeachment to be a test
Unang nawala.
that the 1987 Constitution works. And that despite political differences, the prosecution and defense, I saw them after the first or second day, nagkakamayan kayo. Nagkakamustahan. After the first or second day nung mainit na baliktaktakan dyan sa pre-trial, nagbabatian. Di ba? Even in court. So, we can't help but be emotional. We can't help but get mad at what we think is disgusting or sometimes crossing the line. But is there any question that for this verdict, whether it's for conviction or acquittal, to be accepted by the Filipino people, we have to make sure that the integrity of the court is intact. I will admit to you, nahirapan po ako. Wala si Senator Marcoleta eh. Iilan
Oo.
lang po kaming abogado dito. Si
Kaya
Senator Pangilinan,
Sayang si Marcoleta.
Senator Cheese, si Aimee is a law graduate, di ba?
Pia.
Senator Pia, Bam is a second-year law student and I'm encouraging him na tapusin niya. Total review na yung nangyayari ngayon. But it's not easy. 24 lang kami, nabawasan na ng 3. So I hope this issue of the integrity of the court becomes an issue for all of us. No, I'll repeat what I said when I was Senate President. Director, hindi mo kami natibag. So wag mo try itibagin tong representation na to o itong impeachment court because what you're doing is not
Oo.
helping.
Sinasamantala
Investigate
nila
whatever
eh.
you want to investigate. You want to investigate ba't ako nagpatubo ng balbas? Investigate mo, no problem with me. Pero wag mo nang i-announce kasi nga naaapektuhan yung integrity ng court. Thank you for the leeway.
Grabe, no?
Thank you, Senator Judge.
Nakaka-apekto
Alan
talaga.
Cayetano. Yes, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Pia Cayetano?
Mr. President, Presiding Officer, I assume most of my colleagues, like me, were busy studying the lengthy memorandum filed by each of the parties. For the record, 30-plus pages, more or less double space yung sa prosecution. Kaya by the time I got to the defense, para na akong maduduling kasi mahaba na nga yung 30 pages na double space. Napunta pa ako sa single space. Okay lang yun, kasama sa trabaho yun. Pero that's how lengthy the documents were. And I slept at 2 a.m. Hindi kasama to sa explanation ko. Hindi ako nagyayabang or anything. It's our job. And I'm a night person, so normal sa akin yun. And then in the morning, tuloy ulit. Sent my staff questions, asked for more details, and then we worked together throughout the morning until it was time to come here. So I don't know anything about this statement of Director Matibag. But it bothers me to hear this. I now remember that I saw a message pop up in my phone, which hindi ko nga pinansin kasi nga ito yung important issue ko na pag-aralan ko tong memorandum ng mga parties na inabala nga naman nilang very lengthily and exhaustively nila dinidiscuss in a written document.
Ginugulo,
But I recall
no?
now na may nag-pop up na message from a coach that
Grabe. Panggugulo na lang, panggugulo. Ginugulo nila yung concentration ng mga judge senador. Etong mga nasa executive, di ba? Ginugulo nila. Nasa impeachment na nga, ginugulo pa rin.
na gustong pa-imbestigahan yung SEA Games. And di ko talaga pinansin. And now Alan brings it up and I am bothered. There is no jurisdiction in the world that allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated. And I ask each one of you, my dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon? Don't we want a better country for our children? Why would you allow a director who's just called to be a witness
Anong
next week
klaseng director yan eh? Grabe yan.
brag that he's going to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respectfully request that it be played. Because I want to understand. If I don't have reason to be upset, then thank you, I can focus. I can go back to the business on hand. But right now, I am upset to hear this. And I will stand up for each one of you. I don't care what side you're on. I will stand up for you if somebody tries to intimidate you. So with all due respect, Mr. Presiding Officer, I ask that we play it. I want to see what this witness is doing.
Ayan po, no, hanggang dito na lamang po. Siyempre, napakinggan natin. Talagang nakakadismaya at gara pa lang nakakadiri ang hakbang ng mga gumagawa ng galamay. Alaban kala Senador Alat Peter Cayetano at Senador Judge Robin Padilla. Tinatrabaho na po ng mga galamay. Tinatrabaho na po ng mga nakakadiring galamay. At nakakadiri na to sa mga corruption. Diba? Nasabi ko naman sa inyo yan. Konektado talaga yan sa corruption. Yung panggigipit nila. Diba? Ayaw nilang kumbaga magkaroon ng problema sa darating na ng panahon. Kaya ginagawa nila yan. Kaya yan po, no? Hanggang dito na lamang po. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel para lagi kang updated sa bawat upload ko. Maraming salamat po.